Oh my god.
This is ridiculous.
There you go. Just like little stuff. Like make a circle.
Minty, hilarious.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Ever
It's
heard
like
this
trying to
like
drag me elsewhere.
Like what? Like into the middle of the ring?
Like it grabs my outside rein and like pulls it.
So bend her left a little bit. There you go. There you go. Lengthen. Martingale will fix that too.
And probably the fact that I can like remain and
Yeah, we'll have to pull it back a little bit. All right, canter.
Yeah, good luck.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Good luck.
That is adorable. Hi, Minty. And then just back to the walk. Just pull the right rein.
I can't feel anything underneath me.
She got a perfect lead change.
Do it again.
Wow.
Woo, Minty. Anna, look at her lead change.
What?
She. I love her. One more time off the right now. Give her a big pat. So good girl. Good girl. Keep cantering, actually. Let's canter it. Slow down. Give her a big pat, Haley. Oh my God, I love her. Love her. Give her a big.
Come back.
Oh, I think here we go. I think it's time. No rolling for you.
A little bit too big.
Oh my God. Maybe she wants you to do that little spin around thing.
What?
Like when like they stand still and like you trot around them or something.